Hey, what's going on everyone? Today's video, I'll show you guys how to pair the Apple Airpods 2, the real Apple Airpods 2, not the clones that I have. I want to show you guys how to pair that up with a Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus phone. Should work the same for the S20 and the S20 Ultra. Now, keep in mind two things. One, this may require more than one try, okay? It's not going to work right away. And also, some of you may encounter this sort of hissing sound problem because in some cases, it just may have compatibility issues. And what I learned in the past is this app here called Material Pods. It really is a wonderful app. It's free. It's a bit glitchy, that I'll admit, but it's free. And what it does is you can actually get like pop-up animation with it. You just select what themes you want. Flat theme for Gen 2, which is AirPods 2, would just be like a 2D image, and then the 3D image would be like a real pop-up animation. And sometimes it shows up, sometimes it doesn't show up. Now, again, the reason for this app is to actually help you with any noise, hissing sound that you may most likely encounter, because I had that in the past. Same thing with the AirPods Pro, and I did a video on the AirPods Pro as well. So to connect the Apple AirPods 2, they work. Just relax, everyone. Trust me, it works. We'll go to settings, and then we'll go to where it says connections. Like if you were pairing up a Bluetooth, just any other Bluetooth, doesn't mean it has to be AirPods. We'll go to Bluetooth here, turn on the Bluetooth settings, and it'll start searching for nearby devices. Now, we'll open up the case lid like this for the Apple AirPods 2. You'll get the green light, and what you want to do next is there is this button on the back of the case right here. You'll hold it down, and remain holding it down until you see the white light starts to blink like this, okay? This is the manual pairing mode. You'll select scan, and just wait for AirPods to show up. Give it a few seconds, and if it doesn't show up the first time, you'll just run the process again. Okay, so close this out, and I'm sorry about the rooster, but there's no way of stopping them. So we'll hold down the button once again. All right, it's pairing mode, scan again. And sometimes you get it to work right away. Now, here we go, AirPods showed up, so, and I do apologize about that rooster. So we'll press OK. And you are connecting, and just wait for it to stay connected. Give it a few seconds. If it fails, you just do the process again, but it will work. So as you can see, it works, connected. We got the volume showing here. AirPods are connected, and you are good to go. Again, it may require more than one try. If you're having difficulties or hearing any hissing sound, get the Material Pods app. It should help you. It works for me. Like, share, and sub, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next guide. See ya. Sorry about the rooster once again.